Doesn't look very well. Puppy. Maybe he's stuck. You okay, buddy? Oh, buddy, how long you been here? He's stuck. He's stuck. Just log on you or something. Okay, the log's not on you anymore. You okay? What's wrong? Talk to me. Can you come? Come on. Can you move? Can you move, buddy? You've been here a long time. You in any pain? You okay, buddy? Can we keep going? A bit more. Come on. We're making progress. And then I'm going to get you on the canoe, okay? You've probably never been on a canoe before, but it's the only way. Might be a little bit scary. It's okay. Lie down. And I was clean as well. But it's okay. You might have been there quite a while. And my hope that he belongs to the house down here. And if he's not their dog, then I'll have to make some phone calls and see what we can do. The dog was barking while I was coming past, but it didn't know that I was there, and it was barking in such a way that it had lost its voice. So he or she's been barking for a long time and can't bark anymore. So there's a dock here in front of me, and there's a house just up from it. So, and this is only about 200 meters from where the dog was stuck. So I'm hoping that this house is its owner, or at least they know his owner. I hope this is your home. Okay, buddy, you ready? You ready to come on the dock? Come on, up. Good dog. Good dog. Hello?
I've been looking for her, and I looked down there too.
She's a nice dog. I was worried at the beginning.
She's 14 years old.
Oh.
Better give her a bath, eh? What were you doing going in there, you silly old dog? Only you're lucky you came along. I've been looking all over for you, but she wasn't barking or nothing. Well, she's been missing for a couple of days. You better get some water and wash you off.
I saw a dog bowl on the side of the house. Shall I get that?
Sure. You want some water? That's probably the last thing you
Never
want,
know.
right?
Yeah, just in case.
Get some warm water. Dump it in here so I can just put it on her.
Hello.
Are you getting all cleaned up? All that mud? Yeah.
Mud ball, it's gonna take a while. Probably not gonna like the sound of this thing.
Yeah, I found the owners, Tom and Janine, and they were very happy to get their dog back. It's a 14-year-old Pyrenees. So yeah, it's been in the family for a long time. The state it was in, I feel like it wouldn't have lasted another day. So I'm really happy to find it like that and bring it back to its owners.